So we are dealing with the chapter force and laws of motion of class 9. The force and laws of motion, in this we are going to study first thing about force. Force is what? Force is any push or pull applied. Any push or pull applied. Without applying any push or pull, you cannot open that particular door where you have seen push or pull stickers on either side of the doors. So what is push? When you are pushing somewhere. What is pull? When you are pulling towards yourself. To push or pull, any type of push or pull is called as what? Force. Okay. Force is such quantity whose SI unit, the unit of force, means force is the quantity which is to be measured. Force is a quantity which has to be measured, and its SI unit is, the SI unit of force is Newton. Newton Baba. Okay? Newton. Capital N, denoted by capital N. Okay? The SI unit of force is what? Newton. So, bacha, in this force, there are different kinds of force. But in class 9, this thing you have to study is, there are two types of force you have to study. There are different types of force, for example, muscular force. There are different types of force. But in class 9, you are going to study about two types of force. Those are first, balanced force. Balanced. Balanced force, and the second one is unbalanced force. Balanced force and unbalanced force. Balanced force is what? When the net force F net acting on the body is 0. The F net on the body is what? When the force net acting on the body is 0. For example, suppose this is a block. This is a block and it is resting on the surface. Right now it is not moving. None of the force is applied. What is the net force on this body? 0. The body is at rest. Okay? The body is at rest. Now suppose one of the person has gone there and applied the force F. And applied the force F. What is going to happen? What is going to happen? Again, suppose if the body does not move. If the body does not move, what is going to happen? Why the body is not moving? Because when suppose there is a block kept here, I am pushing it. I'm trying to push it. But at the same time, why it is not moving in forward direction? Because the frictional force has been offered by the ground. The ground is applying the equal and opposite frictional force on that particular body. Therefore, the net force acting on this body is how much? 0. And the net force is on the body is 0. It means what is happening? Balanced force. The net force on the body is what? Is that clear? Any type of doubts?
So it means when the force is balanced, the object will not move.
Object can move. When the things of first law of motion will be clear to you, then you can understand why the net force on the body is 0. Then also body can move. I'll be explaining that. Suppose whenever the force on the body is 0, whenever the net force on the body is 0, then the body is either at rest or moves with uniform motion. What do you understand by uniform motion? First of all, this thing is important. Uniform motion means when a body moves with constant velocity. When a body moves with constant velocity. Constant velocity does not change. And you might have listened in Newton's first law, the body remains in the state of rest or motion unless and until any external force is applied on it. जब तक कोई बाहर से force नहीं लगेगा, the body will keep on moving or keep at rest. Suppose if there is a person who is moving and moving and moving and moving, he will not stop until any other force is applied on it and to stop that particular person. It is according to Newton's first law. I will be telling you that in the next class. So when the net force on the body is 0, the body will be either at rest or under uniform motion. This should be clear in your mind. It should be either at rest or in uniform motion. But unbalanced force, Unbalanced force. What's going to happen in unbalanced force? Under unbalanced force, when you are going to apply the force on the body, the net force on the body is not zero. F net is not equals to
0.
F net is not equals to, means the body will have some force on it. Suppose I am standing here and one of the person is pulling me from this side and one of the person is pulling me from this side. And if both of them have equal strength, they have equal energy, they are applying equal force on my body, I will not go either way. I will not go either this way, I will not go either this way. I will not be going in any of the way. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then the net force acting on my body will be 0. And I will be either at rest or in uniform motion. Suppose I am moving in this direction. Let me, I am moving in this direction. And both persons also, so they are pulling me and I am also moving in this direction like this. What is happening? The net force on my body will be how much? 0. It is balanced force. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then fine. Suppose, for example, let's take one more example of balanced force. There is a body which is moving with velocity v, and I am applying a force of 5 Newton in this direction. I am applying a force of 5 Newton in this direction. At the same time, what is happening? The frictional force of 5 Newton is also applied in this direction. The frictional force of 5 Newton is applied in opposite direction by the ground, by the floor. I am applying 5 Newton force in forward direction and the 5 Newton force is applied in backward direction by the friction. The net force on the body is 0. The body will continue to move with the velocity v. It is not going to stop. Suppose I have thrown a ball like this on the floor. After some time it will stop.
Yes, sir.
Why it will stop? Due to friction.
Yes, sir.
It will stop due to friction. At the same time, what you are going to apply? If you are going to apply the constant amount of force which equal to the friction. If you are going to apply the same amount of force equal to the frictional force, will the body stop?
No, sir.
It will continue to move with that particular velocity, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, 5 Newton in forward direction, 5 Newton in backward direction, the body will continue to move with the uniform velocity, uniform motion. I have told you, have you got this one point?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Balanced force is done. Unbalanced force. Whenever the net force on the body is 0, the body will move with acceleration. Body will move with acceleration. You might have studied in the first chapter. What is acceleration? Acceleration when the velocity of the body changes with time. When the velocity of the body changes with time is called as what?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. The velocity of the body changes with time is called as
Acceleration.
acceleration. Either it can increase or it can.
Decrease.
If it is increasing, the acceleration is positive.
Positive.
And if it is decreasing, the acceleration is negative. So in this case, in unbalanced force, the net force acting on the body is 0. In this case, the body will move. The body will move. But it will not move with constant velocity. It will not move with,
Constant velocity.
means in this case, velocity is not equals to constant. Yes or no? Velocity is not equals to constant. Are you all getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Velocity is not equals to constant. Force net on the body is not equals to 0. Because if the body, see, F net is not equals to 0 means F net कुछ ना कुछ value होगी. Some of the value will be there or not.
Yes, sir.
So if there is force, resultant force is there, then the body is surely is under acceleration. When the net force is there, the body will be under acceleration. It is for sure. मतलब compulsory है. It is compulsory. If the body is having net force, the body will be having acceleration. That's it. Have you all got this?
Yes, sir.
Net force. Force is what? Any push or pull up line. SI unit is Newton. Balanced force and unbalanced force. Balanced force F net is equal to 0. Body will be either at rest or under
Uniform motion.
uniform motion. याद रखना uniform motion and uniform accelerated motion both are different things.
Yes, sir.
Uniform motion and uniform accelerated motion both are different things. So rest and uniform motion हो गया. Unbalanced force F net is not equal to 0.
Yes.
Velocity of the body is not.
Constant.
It will have some acceleration. Some
Acceleration.
acceleration is there. Some acceleration is always
There.
there. Okay. Now this thing, things are done now. Now we are going to start with a new topic. Wait. Force and laws of motion. In this, I'm going to start with a new topic. The new topic which I'm going to start after force is inertia. Inertia. The name is very beautiful. Inertia. TIA. Shia. Yes or no? Inertia. Inertia is what? Because each one of you have certain property. Each one of you have certain property. And that property in which you resist. If someone tells you do that thing and you resist that. You resist that particular thing and that I will not do that. If someone gives you a command and you say, no, I will not do that. You are opposing him. That is inertia. That is inertia. When you oppose, when you resist, the change in the state of motion. I will be telling inertia 3 times. I will be telling you that before that. Under inertia, bacha, inertia is opposition. Oppose karna. Whatever, suppose I am telling you to complete your work on time. Write this question and you say I will not write. That is inertia. So in that class, suppose there is a class, there are 4 students. One of the students is very bright and 2 of them are average and the last one is worse. Let's take the example, but no one is worse in real world. I am just telling that. Okay, just for example. I have told write this question. The best one has written that particular answer. The rest 2 are about to write. They are not actually writing. They are thinking, yes, I should write, I am writing, I am going to write. But the person who is the worst, who don't want a very notorious kind of personality, he is telling, I will not do. I will not do. The inertia of the worst person is the greatest. He is opposing at his best. He is opposing the same thing at his best. The person who has done the question, right? His inertia is the lowest. You can change his thinking. Yes or no? He is not resisting you. He is not resisting the change. And the person who is in the middle, yes sir, slowly they are changing. The inertia, so the inertia of which person is the greatest? The worst one. The best one is done. Lowest inertia means jo hoga karte chale. What is going to happen, just do it. That is inertia, very low inertia. If you are opposing the things, that is inertia. For example, one more example, let's suppose you have to wake up in the morning. Mama used to come, beta please wake up. Beta please wake up. Mama, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 2 minutes. You are opposing. अगर मम्मी से डर लगता हो तो क्या अपोज करोगे? No. Just yes mummy. Tell me. Yes or no? In the very next time, what is going to happen? Let's just understand the concept. What I want to tell you. You are opposing the things. Mama, 5 minutes more. Again, mama came. Mama, 5 minutes more. Now the voice quality of your mama is increasing with brandings, different types of brandings from mouth. You might have listened, everyone.
Yes.
The different types of brandings from mama's mouth.
Yes.
High quality words.
Yes.
So those words are coming towards you. Please wake up. And at last, when the force is increased by very large amount, what is going to happen? Then, yes, mummy, I am sitting. Put gaye hain. Used to do or not? Initially, your inertia was very high, opposing the things. The force was small. As the force is increasing, your inertia is constant. You want to sleep, continue. It is constant with the time, but slowly the force is increasing and increasing and increasing, and the change is coming and coming and coming and coming. Are you getting me or not?
Yes.
that is inertia. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So inertia is the property of the body. That is your property. You are not waking up in the morning by your mother's voice. Then it is what? It is your property. You are not waking up. The same thing inertia is. Inertia is with all the bodies. With all the bodies. जो भी bodies, whichever body is having mass, whichever body is having mass will have inertia. Higher is the mass, higher is the inertia. Higher the mass, higher is the inertia. Lower is the mass, lower is the inertia. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So inertia is the property of a body to resist. Resist means रुकावट. Resist the change in the state of motion. Resist in the change of state of motion. And inertia is directly proportional to mass. More the mass, more is the inertia. Lesser the mass, lesser is the inertia. One more example. There are two different things. One cycle and one truck. There is a cycle and a truck. Both are approaching towards yourself. Okay, with the same speed, 5 meters per second. In front of which you want to stand? Why not truck? It will just pass on. Yes or no? Why? Its inertia is high. It does not want, the type of motion does not want to change itself. The type of motion does not want to change itself. But in case of cycle, the inertia is low. That वो टाइप का लड़का रहेगा तुरंत उठ जाएगा ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Morning में. So inertia is what? Inertia depends on mass. So truck will have higher inertia and cycle will have lower inertia. In the same thing happens. In morning, mama used to say, "Beta wake up." But at night, when you use mobile, mama used to say, "Beta so jao, please sleep." Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The same thing again. Again you resist with the same thing. Again you are going to resist the same thing. What is going to happen? What you are, mama, I'll be just 5 minutes more. Again 5 minutes. When she is telling you to sleep, then also you saying some 5 minutes more, 5 minutes. Mobile use kar. I'm chatting with someone. That's fine. But the same thing happens with inertia. A truck is standing and a cycle is standing. To whom you are going to push? Cycle, not truck. You know, nothing is going to happen. The change is not going to happen. Again, increase the force. Mama's tone is increasing at night. सोना है कि नहीं? Yes or no, like this? Sleep. I'll take the mobile. Force, when the force has increased, the mobile's power is off. You are sleeping. The same thing happens with truck also. Truck, the inertia of truck is higher. When you are applying small force, it is not moving. The change in the state of motion is not there. Increasing the force, increasing the force. At some time, the truck will start moving. This is called as inertia. I think so. This part is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Inertia is directly proportional to mass. Inertia is directly proportional to the mass, and higher the mass, higher is the inertia. Inertia is of three types. Inertia is of three types. That is inertia of motion, inertia of motion. The second is inertia of rest. Third one is inertia of direction. Inertia of direction. There are three different things: inertia of motion, inertia of rest, inertia of direction. Inertia of motion and inertia of rest I have told you. Example of truck and cycle. What was happening in truck and cycle? Initially there was inertia of motion. Inertia of motion. The truck was also moving, cycle was also moving. The inertia of truck is higher, and the inertia of motion of cycle is smaller. Why? The mass of the truck is very high. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Inertia and mass. Inertia is directly proportional to mass. Inertia of motion. The second one is inertia of rest. Cycle and truck both were at. Which one you are going to push? Truck. Wow. Cycle. That's good. So inertia of, that was inertia of rest. It is also opposing the change in state. That's how. चलना ही नहीं. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Inertia of rest. Last one, inertia of direction. This one you might have learned. This, have you ever saw Formula 1?
Yes, sir.
Formula 1 or GP MotoGP?
Yes, sir.
In which the way the biker used to turn, he used to sleep on the road.
Yes, sir.
It seems to be sleeping, but they are not sleeping exactly.
Yes, sir.
You cannot say they are sleeping. They're just trying to bend themselves and trying to rotate. So you might have seen they have started from this point. This is a biker. In order to move in this direction, he will start from this direction, and by the ending of the turn, he will reach this particular point.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Start from here, and by the ending, it will move till here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, what is going to happen? In this case, when this biker is trying to turn himself, actually he is trying to change the direction. But due to inertia of direction, see how much it is moving. He is also moving in forward direction. If its velocity would be smaller, the inertia would be smaller. Mass and velocity in case of direction. So he would be moving like this when his velocity is low. But at the same time, his inertia is inertia of direction. Due to inertia of direction, he reached this line. He cannot continue in this particular line. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So inertia of the three things: inertia of directly proportional to mass, inertia of motion, inertia of rest, and inertia of direction. Till here, the things are clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.